The Intelligent Backup Intervention, or IBI if so equipped, uses radar sensors near the rear bumper and sonar sensors on the rear bumper to help alert the driver to approaching vehicles or objects while backing up. If enabled, the system operates when the shift lever is in reverse and the vehicle speed is less than approximately 5 miles per hour. If the radar detects a vehicle approaching from the side or the sonar detects close stationary objects behind the vehicle, the system gives visual and audible warnings. The system also applies brief braking pressure while the vehicle is moving backward. Depending on the location of the detected object, the system notifies the driver with one or more of the following: warning chimes, the blind spot warning indicator lights on the inside of the front doors, and indicators on the around view monitor on the touchscreen display. The IBI system turns on automatically when the engine is started. To temporarily turn off the IBI system, touch the IBI switch. The BCI off indicator light will illuminate in the instrument panel. The system will be reactivated the next time the shift lever is moved to the reverse position. Use the center display to permanently turn off the IBI system. Push the setting button. Select the camera sonar key. Select the camera key. Select the Intelligent Backup Intervention key to toggle the IBI system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.